Heartbreak is a universal experience. It can feel like the end of the world, but it's important to remember that it's a temporary phase. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to help you heal and move on. Discuss the importance of acknowledging and accepting your emotions. Encourage viewers to express their feelings through journaling, talking to friends, or seeking professional help. Emphasize the importance of prioritizing self-care during this difficult time. Encourage viewers to focus on their physical and mental health by eating well, getting enough sleep, and engaging in activities they enjoy. Discuss the importance of limiting contact with your ex-partner to allow for healing and moving on. Encourage viewers to avoid social media stalking or casual encounters. Encourage viewers to lean on their support system, including friends, family, or a therapist. Discuss the benefits of sharing your feelings with loved ones and seeking professional help if needed. Discuss the importance of avoiding self-blame and negative self-talk. Encourage viewers to practice self-compassion and focus on their strengths. A person setting goals and pursuing their passions. Narrator, encourage viewers to focus on personal growth and development. This could involve taking up new hobbies, learning new skills, or pursuing educational goals. Discuss the importance of letting go of the past and embracing the future. Encourage viewers to practice forgiveness and move on from the relationship. Discuss the benefits of mindfulness and gratitude practices. Encourage viewers to focus on the present moment and appreciate the positive aspects of their lives. The conclusion of this topic is, healing from heartbreak takes time, but it's possible. By practicing self-care, building a support system, and focusing on personal growth, you can overcome the pain and emerge stronger than ever. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be.